Okay, because today we'll be doing something that will cheer you up. Today we'll be making a rainbow Jell-O.
How do you make it?
Okay, so first I'll tell you all the ingredients. So as you can see, these are all the ingredients. We have 4 boxes of gelatin, and you can also buy them in a can, which is cheaper. And over here, it's just condensed milk. And we have 5 boxes of Jell-O, and they're all in different colors, so we can make a rainbow with it.
And this one is strawberry flavor. And this one is orange. This one's lemon. And this one's lime. This one's lemon. And this one is grape. And we'll also be using like a tray, and it's a see-through, so you can see all the colors of the rainbow. And we'll also be using a bowl, so we can mix ingredients inside. And also, we're gonna have some extra Jell-O, so we're gonna use cups for that. And also, this is really easy to make, so you guys can make it as well.
Okay, so now we're gonna start with the first layer of the rainbow Jell-O.
And the first layer is the purple Jell-O.
So it's basically grapes.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna pour it all.
Oh, looks like got like purple stand.
Okay, there. So now
I'm going to put in some gelatin.
1 teaspoon.
I know. This is a teaspoon.
Okay, now we're gonna need 1 cup of boiling water.
That looks cool. Here's a lot darker than I thought it would be. Yeah, a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna stir all the mixture in the hot water. It smells good. You can smell. It's a big scent. It smells really strong.
Grapes.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let this cool down before we put it into the tray. Yeah. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now, and now you have to see if it's cooled down. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna use this big spoon. I'm gonna pour all this Jell-O into this tray. Not all of it, I guess. So you're gonna need like about 1 centimeter. Don't put too much, or else like you probably won't have enough space for the other layers. Okay, so let's do it. Smells good. Wait.
That's still not 1
should we need
centimeter.
like maybe like a little more.
No, a bit more.
I think like this much. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good. Is it?
Okay, so now our first layer is in the fridge, so I can turn solid.
And now we have to make the white part, which is with condensed milk, so we can put it onto the Jell-O. I'm going to keep on doing that. Okay, so first you're gonna need some Knox gelatin, and like just 1 pack, and you're gonna need a spoon, a big bowl of course, and a half a cup of boiling water, or you can say hot water. Okay, so and then after like you stir it, he'll do another part and he'll explain that. Okay. It smells weird. It smells like nothing. I know. Okay. There. Now I have to pour this cup of water in. Oh, I spilled some. This was a lot. Okay. Smells weird, actually. Okay, so we need to stir until everything's like kind of liquid, and then we can pour whatever he's doing.
So now I have to pour half a can of condensed milk, and keep in mind if you have more Jell-O and you need more layers, you might want to have an extra can, so 2 cans of condensed milk. Okay, now
I want to see how it looks like with it.
It doesn't feel like milk. It's so thick.
I think I don't even know what condensed. Maybe that's what condensed means. Okay. So much. Is there maybe like looks kind of weird? Maybe there's maybe a lot of water in there. That means.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, put the water in the stir.
Now I need the boiling water. Half a cup of boiling.
Don't do it like I do. It's the water. Whoa. Oh, it looks like milk, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to mix.
It looks not that hot. Oh my god. Wow. It smells really good. Okay, now we're done mixing it. Now all we have to do is wait and let it cool down for 30 minutes before we put it in the tray. So you can see our Jell-O is all solid now. And our condensed milk is all cooled down, so we can put the condensed milk in the Jell-O, on the Jell-O.
And for the condensed milk, we don't need as much as the Jell-O, so we only need about half a centimeter.
Okay, so let's pour it in now. I'm gonna like put this much. Yeah,
Just do it.
It looks like hot milk or something.
That's too little. We need more.
Yeah, a lot more. Cover it.
I think.
So at least it needs to at least cover, and you can say But I don't want to pour a lot, so I'm just like gonna do this and carefully pour it on the spots that have not been poured on.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good.
Yep.
Except that part's not covered, but I guess it's fine, right?
That's good.
So you can see if you pour it way too hard, there's gonna be bubbles, and you don't want those, so then it can look a little like, better, and it's easier to do stuff. So you can use a toothpick, and you just can poke the bubbles, I guess. It's not ready to poke. Yeah, I'm gonna move that to later. I'm just gonna do this first. I'm wondering if these bubbles are from. I'm just gonna.
Don't poke the Jell-O.
Oh, I forgot the Jell-O down there. Also, dried up. It looks like it's not because it's bubbles. That's why you don't want bubbles. Anyways, yeah, that's it. And now we can, put the lime Jell-O inside.
This was the second layer, and it's lime flavored. So, okay, so now let's put the second layer on.
Ooh, ooh la la. Smells good.
Okay, so now the lime layer is in the fridge, and now we have to repeat the process 3 more times with these new Jell-Os. And the pattern is Jell-O, condensed milk, and Jell-O. So we have to leave it overnight, and we'll show you how it looks like tomorrow.
Ooh la la! Can't wait. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Welcome back, guys! What a beautiful day to show off all our Jell-O.
So as you can see, these are all the rainbow Jell-Os, and we have made it into in a tray. And we also have a backup one, and we also made it into all these cups so that you can see all the individual layers.
And also, guys, one thing, this took us a really long time to make, but you want to kind of be a little patient, because if you don't, then it's going to turn into something like this. So you want the bottom layer to at least be nice and solid and firm until you pour into the next layer.
And if you do that, then you will get this. See, as you can see all the different layers. And also from yesterday, to correct what we said, you don't need four gelatin boxes. You can actually use less. Depends how much you have.
Okay, now let's open up all this wrapping stuff and let's see how it looks like.
Okay.
Let me smell this.
I can already smell it.
Well, it's so wobbly. Whoa.
Is it solid yet, or is it so watery?
I'm pretty sure it's already solid.
Yeah. Look, there's a drop of water there. So mine has it too.
Okay, guys.
So this is how it looks like when you take it out. But unfortunately, the purple part was stuck onto the plate and didn't make it, so yeah. Okay, so let's try it. Whoa. It's like pudding. Yeah, it tastes good. Tastes all the different colors. This is a good Jell-O, so you should totally try that too. So that was the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed it.
And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please would make me sad.
And don't forget to check the link down below. It has more videos of our channel, and it also have a recipe on how to make the rainbow Jell-O. Okay. We made the reason why we made the Jell-O rainbow is because we were honoring the frontline workers who are battling the COVID-19 crisis. That's it for today, guys.
Be colorful and be safe.
Bye.